Pretty baby, you laying out with mommy in the sun? You got yourself in the shade. Looking all cute. She's got water right there. I'm about to pull her dog pull out here in a minute. He's so cute. You watching mama eating popcorn. You only have like 1 or 2 pieces because it's not good for you, but I'll let you have a taste. Your begging face is too cute. I don't know how to tell you no. Look at your cute begging face. You sweetie baby. Drink some water. Yeah, she's got a little shade under my little table out here. You're so pretty, baby. You're so pretty. Alright, you got a taste. Mama's going to keep eating her popcorn in the sun. Let me pull your pull out here in a minute, too. Get your feet and body wet. We just got out here, like not even 2 minutes ago, so. You pretty baby. You're so pretty, Brandy. You're so pretty, sweetheart. Yeah. You cutest little puppy girl ever. The sweetest ever. She can't handle being away from me. I left to go to the Dollar Tree the other night and she cried the whole time I was gone. She cried for me. She loves me so much. This is what a Velcro dog looks like. Some people don't like it, but I love it. I love that she loves to be by me all the time. So, it's a perfect fit.